And I love a tall lamp. Do the chop. Hello, design lovers. Welcome back to Creating with Mimi. Today I am transforming this empty entry hall into a wonderful, stunning oasis. If you like this type of content, hit that like button or subscribe. We would love to have you. So let's get started. I am going to share with you 5 elements that you can use for your entry hall or entryway. Element number 1 is a grand foyer or focal point. I always start with this gorgeous table here. It is a pedestal table. It's white. I have a mirror top. I'm going to start with this grand floral arrangement. I simply love the fact that I have changed my entry hall and set up this pedestal table. It is one of the first things that my guests will see. I want it to be unforgettable. From the very onset of walking through the doors, what you're going to see throughout the house is unforgettable. Placing the pedestal table in the center of the foyer was the icing on top of the cake. The second element is seating, placing 2 gorgeous accent chairs in this space with carved arms. The arms are dark, the detailing of the carved wood. These carved chairs add so much elegance to the space. It's a timeless style and they add so much elegance to the space. The white fabric that I placed on the chairs give it that transitional modern effect instead of having a print. Opposite side of the white chairs, I'm placing this gorgeous cognac bench. You remember when I bought this bench with this rug? Oh, she's amazing. It's just, I couldn't have asked for a better entry hall. Simply amazing. Very, very simple. And it's just another contrast and play on color. These I think I purchased from Amazon and I will be able to link them. Cannot say enough about it. It's the right color. It's the warm tones. I'm mixing in the wood. It is the right height and it is ultra comfortable. I just sit here some mornings and just have coffee and just sit and relax and see outside. Fresh nature, the floral that's on the front porch. I'm just loving this space and this transition. The next element is framed wall art, and in this entry hall, I've got 3 pieces and they're pretty dramatic for framed wall art. One I've had for at least 20 years. That is a testament to if you're choosing the right wall art and the right elements, you cannot go wrong. And we start with color. The color of the floor pretty much dictates the color that I bring into this space. Although one year, one period when we were all into the gray, I did paint this space gray and black, and I'll be honest with you, I hated it. So the framed wall art, I have one piece that's 84 inches tall and then another that's 72 inches. The 84 inch, it is a mocha color with brown and beige, and it's got real wood framed, curved wood for the frame. The other is more of a modern take, and it's still an abstract paint, and it has all the black, and then it tinges with a little bit of gold running through. And the third is something very small and unique, and it just reminds me of the great outdoors, and it brings in that warm color of green. Next element is lush greenery. Greenery that is lush and it just gives life to a space. I don't have a green thumb, so you guys know everything that I do in this space. It is a faux plant, it is silk, it is something that I cannot destroy, and it's pretty much bulletproof. In the corner, I have a small olive tree. This is the perfect small olive tree for any space. It's just perfect, and it adds the right amount of greenery. It just gives this such a clean look, and it doesn't look overstuffed. The reason why I opted to have something smaller is balance again. Here on the pedestal table, this is oversized and it is grand. I wanted to have something small in the corner, and it just gives you that hint of green and lush, and it plays off with the wall art that's just adjacent to the green plant. So what I'm creating is a flow. I'm creating a flow of balance, a flow of color, function, and aesthetic. Sprinkle in some personal touches with decorative bowls or a candle, books, or some type of accessory that brings joy to your face. Are you dying? Are you dying? Will you look at this lamp? Isn't she gorgeous? She's super tall. She's about 36 inches in height. So I love that fact. And this was just a little, was it Home Goods? It was either Home Goods or Home Sense. Is that store Home Sense? Home Accent? Oh. I'll look it up and then I'll put it in the description where this lamp came from. This oversized lampshade. And I love a tall lamp. This is a moment for me. All right, these are the pillows. These are the pillows for the season. Look at the pillows with this rug. Look at the pillows with the wall art and the contrasting color. You've got the beige, the caramel, the black. Every single thing has a flow. And I will just sit this inside, do the chop, do the chop. I don't know why we're still chopping pillows, but it looks good. Oh gosh, look at this. It's everything. I'm loving this. Every entry hall needs balance. I've got balance on the left, balance on the right, up and down the stairs, and it just all comes together. Hanging a set of prints on one large piece above the chairs, it creates that balance that I'm looking for. The visual line of your eye, and then I have wall art above where it takes me to my 20-foot ceilings. So I'm creating balance with my wall art. I hope this entry hall makeover gave you the inspiration that you need to create a warm, designer-style welcome in your own home. Which element was your favorite? Let me know, leave a comment. And if you like this type of content, go ahead, hit the like button or subscribe. Until next time, design lovers. A timeless masterpiece. Today, I am transforming this empty entry hall into a wonderful... If you like this video, hit that like button or subscribe. You will be notified each time there is a new upload. Until next time, make every day a great day.